Ready, roll? Cool. So we are making some keto mint chocolate chip ice cream. So put this bowl right here in the freezer. I have my recipe and I'll post this in the comments here from Google. But it's pretty simple. So we're going to take some heavy whipping cream and we're going to take 16 ounces and put it into this bowl here. And then it says use a hand mixer to beat the heavy whipping cream at high speed until its stiff peaks form. So it sounds hot. All right, so Lindsay says I need to put this in first and then turn it on. So I'm going to mix this with this wedding gift that I've never used before. And you know, the whole cool thing about the keto recipe is that it's high fat and low carb. So that way, if you're doing keto, you can have an awesome treat and not feel guilty. So it says high speed until stiff peaks form. So I know I'm not supposed to talk to Lindsay right now, but how do I know when it's stiff peak form? What does that look like?
It's probably gonna be a long time.
Okay. So you just do this. If you wanted to pause it while we're doing this, you could. Oh wow, yeah, look at that, it is. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So this thing's pretty awesome. Yeah, heavy whipping cream is delicious.
I would say those are pretty stiff.
That's stiff?
I mean, yeah, it looks pretty thick to me. So.
Okay, that's like half of the whipping cream right there. Let's just like take that off. Ah, thanks. My virtual assistant. So, when you take this stuff, wow, it looks amazing. We could just eat that. That's keto
With some Splenda.
Yeah. You know, I was inspired by this mint chocolate chip because I went to a juice place and they had one there, and it was so delicious. I was like, all right, Lindsay, we need to make this. And she's done it before, but I haven't, as you could probably tell. So what's nice is that if you're getting married, you should just request all these cool tools, so that way, even if you don't know what you're doing, at least you have the tools to pretend like you know what you're doing.
Yeah, have your wife register for your gifts.
Yes, because I wouldn't even know what this thing's called. Alright, so I don't want to waste any of this because it looks amazing. I'll lick that later when we're not on camera. Alright, so put that there, put that down here, and then gradually add the sweetener a few tablespoons at a time. So we're going to take a tablespoon here, and I'm supposed to gradually do this. I don't know how they want us to do this while I'm whipping it, but
Yeah,
is that what they want?
I would assume so. Like, I'll just dump it in while you mix it.
Alright, so this is a team effort then.
Maybe.
I don't know why that does that.
It's probably not locked.
Huh?
It's probably not locked.
Yeah, I'm just bored. Whatever. I know it's supposed to be 1 tablespoon at a time, but I'm not sure how that works. But so we're using the recipe calls for
Some.
What kind of sugar? Stevia. It calls for stevia, but I don't really like stevia, so I chose to use a coconut sugar as an alternative.
Which ends up being actually a lot more carbs.
The coconut has more carbs?
Yeah,
So the coconut has a little bit more carbs in it, but I don't like the
quite a
stevia.
few more. Like
Yours are
1 tablespoon for sugar, for the coconut sugar is like a good number of carbs.
So then maybe we won't use all of it.
Oh,
So then maybe we'll do a little bit of the stevia too. Oh, this looks pretty good. Okay.
well, you don't want to, I don't know, you can't be changing the recipe in the middle of the situation.
No?
Just because, I don't know, your stevia's liquid and it's teaspoons, and I don't know how many tablespoons you put in, so.
Alright, so we're not switching things up. I used, just stuck with the coconut. If it sucks at the end, then I'll let you guys know.
The only thing that will suck is the carb count.
And I'll adjust that for you in the comments. Alright, so we graduate, then beat in vanilla and peppermint extracts. So then,
So you could probably just get rid of that and use a whisk.
so then we have vanilla extract. We're
Instead.
supposed to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So Lindsay has this fancy stuff here that she's been making.
It's Kettle One vodka with vanilla bean, and then you put it in the dark closet for a few months. It turns into vanilla extract. So
that's the fancy stuff. That again, Lindsay has all the cool things. So, and then
probably want to use that and not use this anymore.
why?
Because it says to beat, and this was an immersion blender. So
Gradually, so beat in, yeah, right? Beat in the vanilla extract, and I gotta do, so I'm using, instead of peppermint extract, I'm using our doTERRA essential oil that we have. And I looked up online and it said that the doTERRA oil, you could use that, just use 1/4 of the amount, and that's gonna be pretty good. So I like doTERRA. I think it's been pretty good. I put it in my diffuser each morning. Alright, so that's this. And then we're going to take this, and it's asking for vanilla extract, 1 to 2 teaspoons. So we need 1/4 or 1/8. So I have 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to start with 1/8 of it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll just call it 7 drops.
probably, yeah, mix that in.
So we'll mix that in, and we'll see what that looks like and tastes like.
Smells like peppermint.
Yeah, that stuff is super strong.
Yeah, it really hurts when you get it in your eyes.
Yeah, so one time Lindsay was rubbing it on my temples because I had a migraine, and that got a little bit in the eye, like a little tiny, not even like close to the eye, just like to the corner. And yeah, I knew what blindness felt like for about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. So yeah, this smells awesome. I think I'm gonna put just a smidge more of the peppermint. 1 more drop. Just 1 drop. Bam. This one, because it's strong, and I want to make sure that we get that chocolate mint flavor in there.
Oh, the chocolate is coming right now.
So then it says, gradually add the almond milk, a few tablespoons at a time, beating after each addition. So I'll add the almond milk, beating after each addition.
We'll just do this a little faster.
Cool. So
All Arm's getting tired.
Arm is definitely getting tired.
We can scrape off the sides.
The chocolate doesn't go on until, like, from what the recipe says, until it's already into the ice cream freezer.
Perfect.
And then add chocolate chunks at the very end of the freezing. Okay, so I'll mix this. I'll use this little thing to scrape the sides.
Spatula.
Yeah, spatula. So use the spatula to scrape. And, you know, the motivation for the whole keto thing and the low carb, if you're watching this, you probably already know the benefits, but, you know, to get a chance to train your body. Am I putting this on here?
Yeah, you can. Or you can use it to scrape the bowl, too.
Oh.
That's what it's for.
It is a little trick. But to train your body on how to use fat for energy versus using the carbs, it's kind of like burning coals versus burning like lighter fluid. And it's more of a sustainable energy. And I was vegan for 5.5 years, so I just started this keto thing and doing it without meat. So I'm doing it
Big supporter of coal energy.
pescatarian and this. So what did I do?
Yeah, it's just like use it as like a scraper to get the sides of the bowls. It's just bigger and wider.
Wow. I'll tell you what, these little kitchen gadgets are pretty awesome.
Williams-Sonoma.
So I guess, yeah, Williams-Sonoma, and you use the little spatula to scrape it off of that. Look at this. Yeah, this is good.
Container Store. All these fun places.
So Container Store, spatula, and that thing from Williams-Sonoma. Cool. So that's probably good. Well, yeah, lock just out of your recipe here. So that's the mixing. I'm pretty sure those are all the ingredients besides the chocolate. And then let's take a peek. What does it say? Oh, is this the actual website? Yeah. Alright, gradually add the almond milk, pour the mixture into the ice cream freezer. So, and then,
So you want the bowl?
so yeah, so let's go ahead and grab the frozen bowl out of the freezer here. So, I'll slide this one over. So, this is a kind of cool idea. We got this for our wedding. An ice cream maker from Cuisinart, is that what it is? So, just pour that in there.
Yeah, purchased from Williams-Sonoma by Maria.
Yeah. So, this is looking and smelling really good. And what's fun about this is I could probably count on one hand how many times I've ever baked anything or made anything, but as you can probably tell. But you know, when it comes to eating healthy, it's really challenging to eat out. And when you have good tools that you do this stuff with, it makes it fun. Because this would be miserable if I didn't have cool tools like this. I tell you, my single mic self, living on my own, I don't even think I had a mixing bowl. So
You had a pot and a spoon
that's about, you know,
or a spatula that was half melted.
and a bunch of Cutco knives. That's about all I had.
Yeah, and then a whole ultimate set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right. So now we have this thing, and how we use this. That would be interesting in itself. So we're gonna take this, put it on here. Take this, and, put it in there. And put this on top, like that. That should work. And then hopefully it doesn't explode. And then it's hopefully gonna freeze it.
So it shouldn't take very long. We've done this before with bulletproof ice cream. but that may have been quicker because it was eggs.
So, I don't know. I'm interested. I'm interested myself, so. I don't know. How do you know when it's done? Probably just get hard.
It starts to lift off the sides. The liquid right there will be more solid.
So I guess I'm supposed to like entertain her or something. Wow. So how do we want to crush this chocolate?
I would say chop it with a knife.
So grab my
So
Cutco cleaver. Got a vegetable knife. What do you think about that?
sounds good.
So I guess I'll take my vegetable knife here. I guess this is a good shameless Cutco plug, right? Cutco knives. I've been selling Cutco and working for them for 15 years now. So since June of 2004 is when I started. And Lindsay started. When did you start? 2005?
2004, actually before you, Michael. Next, do you want some more chocolate or is that good?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. What does the instructions say?
Oh, that's looking good. Oh, that's looking good. Yeah, you can never go too much on the chocolate. I'm doing that wrong.
Well, we are supposed to use 3 ounces.
And each one of these is, I don't know.
Using sugar-free special dark chocolate. This whole bag is 3 ounces. So,
The whole bag is 3 ounces?
yeah.
Dang. How many came in there? 10 pieces is 3 ounces? Oh, alright, so it looks like I'm going to chop up a bunch of chocolate.
I also have lilies in the freezer as well.
So 10 of these are supposed to be 3 ounces. We have 4.
And I have some in the freezer.
And then we have some more in the freezer, so.
You could actually add frozen, chopped up peppermint patties if you want.
Alright, sticking to the side still. So
To the right, top.
This thing?
Nope, to the right, that little baggie. Yep, there you go. Let's do those.
Oh. Wow.
Just a couple of them. And we can.
Yeah, this has only 1 carb. 1 carb and 2 pieces. So.
Unless you want to use, there's other caramel salted almond chocolate in there. But.
So. How many ounces is one of these? I'm gonna just rip it up. 2 pieces is 28 grams. The whole thing has 3 ounces. Whoop. So now we're up to maybe 6 of these.
Yeah, let's get out the other kind.
If you want to check in on, we could check in on the ice cream on how that's working. Let's take a peek. The ice cream. So it's starting to whip, it's sticking to the sides. So you said, how do you know it's done? When it stops sticking to the sides?
Yeah.
Alright. So, use this. Ooh, that looks amazing. So we'll use another, that now, 6 squares. So this is going to be amazing. So even if the rest of my recipe sucked, with like changing up the sugar content because I don't like the stevia taste, this is going to make it amazing. So We're supposed to add the chocolate towards the end, but I don't know what the
It
end
says
is.
15-20 minutes.
That's when you add the chocolate?
No, that's how long it takes to use this machine.
So 15 to 20 minutes in the machine. So what we'll do is we'll pause this. It's only been a couple minutes, but
20 minutes.
This has been 20 minutes already. Wow.
Long ass video that no one's gonna watch.
Maybe. But if you do watch it, it's gonna be delicious. So anyway, let's at what point should we put this chocolate in there? It says towards the end, but what do you think? Think we should do it now?
So I just say, do you want to stop streaming? I say end.
No, just click the X at the top. Here, let's do this.
Yep, and it says end.
Let's take a peek. All right, so if this ends, that's it.